Hi everyone, today we're making a chicken meatloaf. The ingredients are ground chicken, zucchini, cheese, cream cheese, 1 egg, some garlic, red onion, parsley, black pepper and salt. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and now let's start by thinly cutting the garlic. Cut the red onion. Now let's chop the fresh parsley. Place our cutted ingredients in a bowl with the ground chicken. Let's add some salt, one spoon of black pepper, now add 1 medium-sized egg and mix all the ingredients well. Now that everything is mixed, put it aside for a bit later. Now we're gonna slice the zucchini. Don't forget to wash it before using it. Really carefully, just make sure you're not gonna cut yourself. I will use a springform pan and let's add a bit more than a half of ground chicken inside. With a fork, spread the meat around the pan. I will add a bit more of meat just to make sure I cover all the base. All the pan is covered. Now let's place some zucchini inside and then take a cream cheese and spread it over all the zucchini. Add 2 slices of your favorite cheese on the top. Now we're gonna make another layer of zucchini with the cream cheese. Add more cheese and let's repeat the process one more time. Add the last layer of the cheese, and now with the rest of the ground chicken, put it on the top and with a fork spread it all over around until all the cheese is covered. Bake it in the middle of the oven on a 180 degrees for about 40-50 minutes. And meanwhile, you have spare time to go to my channel, subscribe, and check my other recipes. Let the meatloaf rest for 10 minutes before cutting in slices. Make sure you will not get burned yourself. As you can see, it was a really easy recipe, right? Let's cut a slice now so you can see how cheesy it is. I'm sure you're gonna like it, and all your family for sure. You can use any other type of veggies inside, don't have to be zucchini. And if you like this video, comment, tell me what do you think, and I hope you will enjoy it.